So, how'd it feel crashing onto the ground 2 times? Painful. How are you not at Victor's Works? I guess I'm impenetrable. I think that's how you pronounce that word. So, when is the engine rescue services ever going to arrest or at least hurt you? Never. What is this house coming to? Oh, hey, look! Percy's got the DVDs! Unfortunately, one of them I see is a disgusting one. Yeah, wait. It's not as disgusting as what's behind Percy. Hey guys, I'm back. Percy, explain why the frick Bill and Ben are here. Okay, so long story short, they're trying to run from Edward, and they said that they needed to hang out with us because we have a huge shed, and they also said if we let them, they'd give us their Railway Series book and $100. Yeah, and the Mainline Engine's Railway Series book is the most rare possession we have. Alright, fine, they can stay. So, we heard about what happened 2 days ago with James. Yeah, pretty badass, right? No. Are you kidding me? Dude, even we wouldn't pull that stupid stunt. We're like the only engines in the house that actually like Jerry. Percy, get them out of here. Want the $100? Yes? Shut up then. Speaking of Jeremy, when is the Wing and Wheels gonna be coming? I think they're going to be coming today. This bed is pretty comfy, better than the bigger bed over there. No, it isn't. What do you mean? This brown blanket is much better than the one in there. If not, if two. What does this have to do with the conversation? If not, if two. No idea. If not, if two. If not, if two. If not, if... Well, you guys just had it! Sorry. So where's your mainline engine's book? I think it's downstairs? Wait, so why don't we just go down? We're getting the book anyway. Oh, wait a minute, I just got a text message. Cranky says that the parts are here. Convenient. Alright then, let's go. You guys go. I just realized this bed is really comfy. Don't turn into Dennis. Hey guys, what do you think is the best Thomas YouTube channel? The Unlucky Tog. Unlucky Tog. Purple Hoodie Zero. That low-quality YouTuber that's only famous for making Thomas being a dumbass? He's not low-quality. He is. How? Oh my god, guys, forget it. Alright, we're here. Why is there a jet engine? Oh, I ordered it. Why? I want to cause havoc. That's literally my character trait. Dude, you have way more... Never mind. We'll talk about that upstairs. I'm taking the jet engine, you take the parts. Let's go downstairs. Alright, Bill, Ben. Okay, that's it. Purple Hoodie Zero is the worst YouTuber ever. You take that back. No, that's it. Ugh! What the? Thomas, they've triggered it. Triggered what? When someone turns on the jet engine, you can't turn it off. Remember the episode Thomas and the jet engine from season 6? Oh, frickin' hell. What can I do? Refreshing Sprite. Porter, look out! What? Bugger off, Charlie. I don't want to hear your wisecracking jokes. That's just plain wrong. Oh! What the? Ooh! Sorry! Okay, I know we went down here. James, Bill, Ben, boom! How is this happening? Hi, mates. Want any candy? Sure. I have diabetes. Stepney, move! Oh, my! Don't worry, I'll stop you. That's not a good idea. I regret every single decision I made today. Excuse me, sorry. Oh. I I can't believe it's been a month since that bathroom incident. I just want to forget that. Me. Okay, that was just cartoon physics. Finally, I'm off. Bill and Ben were right. That was really comfy. Wait, what's that? Percy! Look out! Oh my god! Oh. The shed! Where? Oh no, is the jet engine still on? Yes, why? Frick, it's going to... Oh, cinders and ashes! No! What are you doing? Alright, we're here. F off. Don't ever come back to our damn shed. But it's this job.